Hello children. Today I'm sharing this sample question paper that's released by CBSE for the subject food production, and the subject code for this subject is 809. The paper will be for 1.5 hours and it will be for 30 marks. The paper will have two parts. Part A, that is employability skills, and this is for 5 marks. So this is part A for 5 marks. And part B जो है वो subject specific skills है, and that is for 25 marks. Now part A basically has two chapters, entrepreneurial skills and green skills. Soon you will get the video for this as well. So in videos I'll be explaining the chapters, and I'll also be sharing important questions for these chapters with you. Next, after this, we have subject specific skills, wherein we have these chapters as fast food, introduction to banking, menu planning, food costing, and food safety. These 5 chapters are in subject specific skills and they are for 25 marks. That makes it 30, 25 for the subject specific and 5 for the employability skills. Now let us go through the sample paper that's been released. So the paper has 3 sections. Section A, which is for employability skills, and this section is for 5 marks. You will get 6 questions, and out of those 6 questions, you have to answer the questions. As in first part, you have 1 marker question. So out of 4 questions, you'll have to answer 3. And in the second part of the same section, you will have 2 questions of 2 marks each. And from these 2 questions, you need to answer 1. So when I scroll down, I will be showing you that clearly. Section B is subject specific skills, and that is for 17 marks. And section C is also subject specific, but here they have competency based questions for that. So, and this particular section, section C, is for 8 marks. So now let us just go through the sections. So this is section 1 that has 4 questions. Firstly, a 1 mark each, out of which you're supposed to answer 3. And in the second part of the same section, as I did mention earlier, you have 2 marker questions, 2 questions of 2 marker, out of which you're supposed to answer 1. So that makes it 2 marks for this section now. After this, you have section B, that is subject specific skill, as I mentioned. And in this particular section, you would find that you have 1 marker, 2 marker, and 3 marker questions. So how have they given it? In the 1 marker section, they've given 7 questions, and out of those 7, you are supposed to answer 5. So that makes it 5 marks for you for the 1 marker question. Then let's move to 2 marker questions. So out of 5 2 marker questions that they have given, you need to answer any 3. That makes it 6 marks for you. After this, in the same section, we have 3 marker questions also. So we have 4 questions of 3 marks, and out of which you're supposed to answer 2 questions. So that makes it 6 marks for this particular set. After this, we have the competency-based question. So they have given 3 questions here in competency-based section, but you need to answer any 2. That makes it 8 marks for this particular section for you. So this is how the paper has been set for you. And I hope you prepare well for the exam. And in case you wish to download this question paper, I will be sharing the link in the description box for the sample paper. And we'll also be sharing the link for the marking scheme of this particular paper in the description box for you. Thank you for watching.